guys, so in this upload we are going to be finishing up and sanding the painting Prayer Panther here. So got my blue spray can with my can gun, and let's get started. More to come. I finished up the light sanding that I was telling y'all last upload, which was pretty much this stuff right here. I have a little bit more that I need to take care of before I really start painting, or I think I just took care of it right there, just a little bit of loose paint. I took care of that, and so I went ahead with brake cleaner and cleaned everything off, so it's just nice, real nice and clean, so that we can start spraying. So I'll be back with y'all in a little bit when I get the first coat on. So we're going to do it in 10-minute increments. We're going to spray one coat, wait 10 minutes, put a second coat on, wait 10 minutes, and then probably put a final coat on. And then we'll just let it sit. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so the first coat is on, and it went on pretty decent for a first coat. Still got about 1 to 2 more coats to go though. So yeah, it's about what she's looking at right now. Nothing much has really looked to changed, has it? Other than gone through 2 spray cans. Second coat is now on, and I think 2 cans is just about going to do it, because remember, I'm going to be doing clear coat too, so it'll have clear coat with it as well. And it ain't perfect. I mean, I did get some overspray on the tire, but it ain't really no big deal. It's not going to be perfect. Just something to make it look decent. But yeah, it's not going to be much of a video, but there's a second coat on it. And next time we will be flipping it over and painting the other side, and then getting this thing ready for clear coat. So that's about the way it sits. For the meantime, I've got to figure out how I'm going to get this back into there where it was. So yeah, with that being said, hope you like this video. Just progress on the old Prayer Panther here. Don't know why I still call it the Prayer Panther. My sister, she wanted it Carolina Panther Blue, which is what made the name, but she changed colors with me. But when the name was set, she wanted it the blue that my interior was made with, and so that's more of a Carolina blue than anything. But the name had already been set in place, so I just stuck with the name. So that's kind of how Predator Panther kind of got started. But anyway, just a little back history for you. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe for more builds and videos. Got a really freaking exciting build coming up that I know y'all are gonna like, because I know I'm gonna love it. I have all the stuff to do it with, just about, I just haven't started it yet because I want you guys to see it. But yeah, it's gonna be one bad little mother. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. That's gonna be coming out. I don't know. Here then, it'll come out when that thing gets done. Yeah, take care of yourself. I'm out.